Hello friend. Today we will talk about the power of nonverbal communication, body language. Body language is the form of communication in which emotions and thoughts are expressed through facial expression, body posture, etc. Based on this definition, body language is an event that we encounter during conversation or interaction with a person beyond verbal communication. Body language also conveys the hidden messages underlying verbal communication to the other party. That's why body language is very important in terms of understanding the mood of people at that moment. Let's look at an example to understand the importance of body language. First, let's consider an educator. If an educator just sits in the classroom environment and does not make any eye contact with students, if they do not use their hands actively and pause while lecturing, they will not be using their body language in a positive and active way. Students also show little interest in this lesson. They even easily lose attention. In addition, such an environment will not be productive in any way. But let's consider this case in a different way. For example, if the teacher enters the classroom with a smiling face and uses body language actively while teaching, we will face a different result. In this way, students focus on the teacher and the lesson efficiency will increase even more. It will also increase the likelihood of establishing a cordial relationship with the educator. The creation of a friendly environment is important for interaction with students because, in general, we hesitate when asking questions. We do not leave our minds in peace, we restrict it. However, a friendly atmosphere will help the students feel more comfortable asking that question or expressing that silly question in their mind with ease. Another example can be given from the theater, which is one of the fields where body language is used a lot. Because there is a fiction subject in the theater and it is necessary to make the other party, that is the audience, feel that fiction in some way. Artists usually do this by using body language. In fact, the art of pantomime is the purest example of this. In pantomime, the artists try to convey an event to the other side without speaking with facial experience or hand, arm, and body movements. Also, if there is a pantomime artist among us reading this article, they can share their experiences of or feelings with us. How about even a short interview? If you want to share your experience in pantomime, I'm here. Thanks you for listening me right now. You can share your idea or anything you want to add. You can also contact me by mail. I will share with you. And by the way, it's a blog, so I will share also the link for you. And that's it. Have a good day.